Hello students, in today's video we will do the question answers of chapter 3rd. As yesterday we have read this story of rats and elephants. Now today we will do the question answers of this chapter. The question answers of activity first, question answers of chapter 2nd. I have given you in yesterday's assignment, and in today's assignment you will do the MCQs, fill-ups, true false, whatever are there. These questions you will do on self. Today in today's lecture I will explain you all the activities and question answers also I will give you today. So you have to complete all the work in your fair notebook properly in a proper manner. So let's see, before doing the question answer, once I want to revise the chapter. What was the chapter? Long ago, बहुत समय पहले, there was a group of rats lived happily in a forest. So one day a herd of elephants passed through that area in search of water. The herd of elephants went from the area where the rats were living. So in under the feet of elephants, many houses of rats were destroyed, and many rats also killed under the big feet of elephants. So there was a king of rats and there was a king of elephants also. The king of rats went to the king of elephants and requested him. What have you remember? What was the name of the king of rats? The name of the king of rats was Mushak Raj, and the name of the king of elephants was Gajraj. Then Mushak Raj went to the Gajraj to request to take its head from another route to pond, and Gajraj accepted his request and he ordered to his head to move from another way to the pond. So Mushak Raj get happy and he said that in future whenever you will feel will be in need, we will be ready and will come to help you. After listening this, the some of the elephants from that herd, from that group, started to laugh on them, that how these small rats can help us, how big we are, how small they are, so how they can help us. But after a few months, one day when the rats were playing in their houses, the Mushak Raj heard the loud sound of elephants. Then he realized that maybe the elephants are in any trouble. So he took some of strong rats from its group and went to help for elephants. And after reaching on the pond, they saw that elephants were trapped elephants were caught in the traps. So the rats started to cut the ropes of the trap with their sharp teeth and set free the elephants. This was the story, and after getting free, elephants felt sorry and thanked to rats that on that day we made fun of your size, that how the small rats can help us, but today we realized that there is no matter of size, that small things, small animals can help to big animals. Okay, this was the story. There were some hard words like head. Head means जानवरों का झुंड, जानवरों का झुंड. Destroy, I have told you in last video also about destroy, नष्ट कर देना, खराब कर देना, तोड़ देना. रूट, रास्ता, वे. नेक्स्ट, प्लीज. खुश. वन प्लीज इज more there. One please. Sometimes we use please मतलब for requesting someone, or sometimes we use it for habits, depend on sentence where we are using this word. Pleased, happy, promised, वादा, all know very well. Shout, चिल्लाना. Realized, समझना. Danger, खतरा. डायरेक्शन, दिशा. ट्रैप, पिंजरा. एंड हंटर. हंटर मीन्स शिकारी. These are some words to know their Hindi meanings. Now we will do the question answers of this chapter. You are having the Hindi meanings and some hard words are there in the end of the chapter in your book, so you can find these words there also. These words will help you to understand the chapter very well. Now see, there are some MCQs. True false. The elephants were very hungry. They were looking for food. Elephants were very hungry or elephants were very thirsty. They were going in search of food. They were going in search of water, not in search of food. So it will be false. The elephants destroyed the homes of the rats because they dislike them. क्या एलिफेंट लाइक पसंद करना, डिसलाइक नापसंद. तो क्या एलिफेंट्स ने जानबूझकर रेड्स के घर तोड़े क्योंकि वो उन्हें पसंद नहीं करते थे? फॉल्स. जानबूझकर उन्हें उनके घर नहीं तोड़े थे, उनके पैरों के नीचे आने से उनके घर टूट गए थे. द किंग ऑफ द रेड्स प्रॉमिस्ड टू हेल्प द एलिफेंट्स व्हेन नीडेड. क्या रेड्स के किंग ने एलिफेंट से ये प्रॉमिस किया कि जब भी आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी हम आपकी हेल्प करेंगे? यस, दे प्रॉमिस्ड टू एलिफेंट्स। द एलिफेंट्स वर शाउटिंग फॉर हेल्प। क्या एलिफेंट्स मदद के लिए चिल्ला रहे थे? यस, एलिफेंट्स वर शाउटिंग फॉर द हेल्प. So these are the true false. You can do yourself in your notebook. I have told you the answers here. Now see the question answers. Answer the following questions. Question number C. Answer the following questions. Means whatever questions are there, just give their answers. See the first question. Why did the elephants pass through the area where the rats lived? Why did the elephants pass? Question number 1. Why did the elephants pass Why did the elephants pass through the area where the rats lived? This is the question. Why did the elephants pass through? यानी एलिफेंट्स उस रास्ते से क्यों जा रहे थे? एलिफेंट्स पास थ्रू द एरिया वेयर द रेड्स लिव, यानी जहाँ चूहे रहते थे उस रास्ते से एलिफेंट्स क्यों जा रहे थे? सो आंसर विल बी द एलिफेंट्स पास्ड थ्रू. व्हाइल मेकिंग आंसर, सी हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी आर यूजिंग डिड. सो इन आंसर इफ वी आर नॉट यूजिंग डिड वी विल add ed second form with the verb. It will be from here we will start. The elephants pass will change in past. The elephant passed through the area where the rats lived. Where the rats lived in search of water. Because they were in search of water. Okay, is the answer. Why did the elephants pass through the area where the rats lived? Answer: the elephants passed through the area where the rats lived because they were in search of water. Okay, now question number 2. You have to do this all the question answers in your fair notebook of English, and before starting the work just mention chapter number, chapter name, date, all these things. Why did the king of rats? Question number 2. Why did the King of Reds. King of Reds request the elephant elephant's chief to guide his head I told you the group of animals through another route. Through another route. This is the question कि रेड्स का जो किंग था वाई ही रिक्वेस्टेड टू द एलिफेंट्स चीफ, एलिफेंट्स का जो चीफ था यानी उनका जो किंग था उनसे क्यों रिक्वेस्ट की कि वो किसी दूसरे रूट से चले जाएं, दूसरे रास्ते से चले जाएं। हमने अभी स्टोरी पढ़ी थी, क्यों बोला उसने ऐसा। द किंग ऑफ रेड्स requested the elephant's chief. Now see, half answer we will get in the question. The king of reds, same will be here as like in previous question. In previous question also there was did use of did in the question. Here also again we are getting the use of did. So while making answer we will add ed to the verb. Okay, now it will be, we will start from here. The king of reds requested to the elephant chief to guide his head through another route. Another दूसरा and route रास्ता. See till here, from here to here, these three lines are as it is in the question. Only one change was there, that we didn't use did in this, we have used ed with the verb. Only this change is there in the answer and all we have taken from the question. Now what will be the change? Because many harms of the reds, because many harms of the reds were destroyed under the big feet of the elephants. Reds were destroyed under the big feet of big feet of the elephants. And some rats were also killed. Some rats were also killed. Okay. Now question number 3rd and 4th, 5th we will do tomorrow. Hope you understood how to form a question answer from the question. I explain you remaining work we will do in tomorrow's video. Thank you.